Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your Windows 10 is activate or not. So guys, if you want to check your Windows 10 is activate or not, so very easy. First click on start, type here CMD. First click on start, type here CMD. Open command prompt. Type here SLMGR slash XPR. Click on enter. There it is. After click on OK. And easy method if you want to check your Windows 10 is activated or not. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for latest update. Please comment this video is useful or not. Thank you for watching.